Hey, it's Kathleen from Yankee Homestead and Oil Together Now. Let's talk about lemon eucalyptus, another one of our brand new oils just released in the fall of 2019. This is a 15 milliliter size bottle. The wholesale cost is $12. The retail cost is $16. It comes as a part of the post-convention kit with all of the brand new products that were just released in September of 2019 at doTERRA Convention, and that are now available for purchase as of October 1st, 2019. I'll tell you more about how to get that kit and all of that at the end of the video. First, I want to talk about lemon eucalyptus. So, lemon eucalyptus is awesome for insect protection from insects. I read that it offers 97% protection outdoors for 4 hours, so it's very long lasting. That is an awesome way to keep the bugs away naturally without resorting to any potentially toxic or sketchy ingredients. It's also very purifying and cleansing to surfaces and to the air and to skin. So you can use it as a deodorizer, you can use it as a surface cleaner in your home, you can use it on skin to refresh and cleanse. Here is a really cool benefit of lemon eucalyptus is that it disrupts the biofilm in candida. So if you know anyone struggling with candida, you can use that both on the skin and, yes, on the skin only. Lemon eucalyptus is not for internal use. It's for aromatic and topical use. And one little tip, I've shared this before, but when you look on our doTERRA bottles, if there is a supplement facts box like this is celery seed oil, then you know that it's good for internal use. If there is no supplement facts box on the label, then you know it is not designed for internal use. So this is topical and aromatic use only. Lemon eucalyptus oil promotes healthy circulation and blood oxygenation. You want to apply it to the bottoms of the feet and over the liver. You can do that 2 to 4 times daily as needed. It also, as I said, it's good for the skin. It's also good for the scalp. It helps keep your scalp healthy, free from itchiness and flakiness. You can add 2 to 3 drops to your shampoo to help with that. It also fights fungus like athlete's foot and itchy private areas. You want to dilute and apply topically to those areas of concern. It's also good for soothing respiratory issues that tend to settle in the chest right here. So you can dilute and apply to the chest and the upper back. You can also diffuse it, inhale it, use it aromatically. And also for clogged sinuses, you want to use it aromatically, diffuse, inhale, and I'm thinking it would be a great one to add to the steaming mug of death. If you've ever tried that, I can post a link for you in the description. The steaming mug of death is simply using really hot water, adding some oils, making a steam tent with a towel and sitting over it, keeping your eyes closed, of course, and inhaling. It really helps with all kinds of respiratory issues and also to support the immune system. So I'm thinking that lemon eucalyptus would be a great one for that, both for chest respiratory concerns and sinus head respiratory concerns. It's also great for skin irritations like cuts and scrapes and even cold sores. And it helps to fight body odor. So you can use it in homemade deodorant. You can add it to body wash or just apply it topically to help with that. So I hope that gives you some ideas, some ways to use your new lemon eucalyptus. Oh, I also wanted to share some diffuser blends or some other oils that it combines well with for aromatic use. Try lemon eucalyptus and Siberian fir. You can also try lemon eucalyptus with clove, cypress, eucalyptus, or peppermint. Those are all good combinations, so you can pick the one that suits your fancy. And remember, the post-convention kits are available as a bundle. When you buy the whole kit together, you save over $100 as opposed to buying each individual item from the kit. You also, this month or in October 2019, automatically qualify for 3 additional freebies: the copaiba soft gels, the copaiba oil, and yellow mandarin oil. You get those free just by placing any 200-point order during October. And the convention kit is worth 200 points, so it qualifies you for those freebies. If you are an existing doTERRA member, make sure to order the convention kit through the loyalty program. Put it in your shopping cart. You need to add one other regular item, because the convention kit is a special offer, a limited time offer. So in order to process the order, you have to have one regular item in your shopping cart as well. And then you'll automatically get those 3 freebies. If you're a doTERRA member and you place that order by October 15th, you'll also get this month's free oil of the month, which is clementine. So that's exciting. And if you're not a doTERRA member yet, I can help you with that. I'll put a link in the description below for you to click on to get the convention kit. Or you can change the kit if you're interested in a different kit that would better meet your needs. That would work too. Happy to help you get started. And enjoy your new lemon eucalyptus oil. Happy oiling!